After dark Aldi.
Yes.
You have to come up here after
It's Friday evening. They're not busy during this time, and we're going in here to see what we can
We're putting our
find.
in the buggy.
We go to the Aldi finds first. Yeah. We gotta show you the routine.
Going to the Aldi finds.
Yeah, see that here today, gone tomorrow. Oh look, Dave, they got chicken biscuit crackers. You like those? They have turkey stuffing ones too.
We found this at Aldi.
Yes.
Everyone.
Now their stuffing mix here is 95 cents.
Hey, do we want to get some apple juice to make some?
Oh yeah, to make some of that apple cider, yeah.
Here's some organic coconut oil.
Uh-huh, see? He's becoming a fan, y'all. He's already put 2 things in the buggy. Me and Sissy hadn't even put anything yet, but look, they have turkey stuffing chips. It says gobble gobble.
Here's some olives.
Oh my goodness. Look. Turkey stuffing, gobble gobble.
Spice.
Garlic mashed potatoes. Pumpkin pie.
Is this the Olive Garden?
Yeah, that's it.
Folks.
Y'all, look at him becoming an Aldi fan right before our eyes.
It's good stuff.
They have a few toys. Sissy's already checking those out.
There's a nice wreath.
Oh, that is a pretty wreath. That's
Look at
really
that
pretty.
thing.
Yeah.
I can see that hanging
$16.99.
on the door. Sorry, y'all. I got me.
Look, oh, these are light up candles, but it's not. I want to get a Christmas tree one
Is
day.
it a candle?
They have pine. Yeah, well, it's not. It's a. It looks like a candle, but it's. You know, you don't got to worry about your tree melting. It's not going to melt.
Well, you clever little Christmas tree.
They're $7.99. What are these? Oh, these are candles. Village House candles. Peppermint twist. That's adorable.
Folks, this is adorable.
That is adorable.
Guys,
How much are they?
girls,
$3.99.
This is adorable.
Yeah. What else do they got? They got snowman with a little snowflake tray. Oh, they got this one with the little rolling pin and all. I love that one though, with the little Christmas bag and the reindeer and all. That one's cute. This one has a sled. That's also super cute.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, those are pretty.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What's the words of that song?
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas. These are $6.99, y'all. They are pretty. They have these sparkly ones, pink ones.
After dark, this is where it's at.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at this holiday platter. How much are you? It's $6.99. That's pretty. They have this one or a Christmas tree shaped one. They have pajamas for $12.99. French press coffee makers, $14.99. How many plates come with this plate set? 4?
These are tablecloths, right?
For $6.99.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, those are pretty. That's a round one. What kind
This
of they
is a
got?
round one.
We got some with gingerbread houses, so nutcrackers,
Look here.
houses, or trees. Yeah, I had a tree one last year.
That's
Not
a nice-
exactly like that, but kind of.
That's nice. That is not a bad price.
They're $9.99. They have the tiered tray to go with the little things, but we already have a tray.
Tree
They're
collars.
$12.99.
Tree
That's
collars.
pretty, yeah.
There you go.
How much are they? $14.99.
$14.99, Who'll give me 15?
They have some of the Swedish dishcloths for $4.99. Does it come with? It comes with 4 of them. Oh, that's a good price. Oh, those are cute. And the gingerbread man and the snowman. They're $9.99.
Almost looks like a snowflake too.
Yeah, that's cute though. Cece, did you see these? They're $7.99 and they're cute little Christmas babies.
These roads go somewhere. Santa, I can explain.
Oh yeah, they're $7.99. What's this one? Let It Snow. This crate's pretty. It says Let It Snow. They had another one that I really liked. I think that was brown with a Christmas tree, but they must not have any more of those. They're $12.99. Look at these throw blankets. They're pretty. $19.99. Candles. Holiday cookie.
That joker
That's
smells
beautiful. Yeah, that's a wonderful smell.
good. Mama, how much is it?
Probably $5. $5.99.
$5.99. Who'll give me 6?
What other ones do they have here? First Snow. Holiday cranberries. It was one of my favorites from last year.
Let me smell it. That smells good.
How much are these throw blankets? $4.99. They always have a really good price on throw blankets, and they're cute too.
Don't forget about your Christmas candy right here.
They got it.
We all know these are good. We also know these are good.
Those are good.
These are good, y'all.
Yes, those are really good.
Folks, if you look right here, these are good. Yep, just seen another good thing.
Oh yeah, those are real good. Oh, me and Cece
Come
love
with
these.
me and I'll put you in the Christmas spirit.
This is what me and Cece love. York
Silver
peppermint
bells.
patties.
Silver bells. Stocking stuffers is what I see here. What is these right here, Mama?
It's some kind of really like soft gingerbread.
Gingerbread.
Yeah. They got some Christmas porch signs. This one says welcome. This is only $9.99.
You don't have one of these, your turkey will be dry.
On the back side of this one, it has a nutcracker that says Merry Christmas. This one says welcome with the gingerbread man and all. That's pretty.
Ho, ho, home.
Hello,
Hello,
winter. That's cute. Tammy was telling me something about a gingerbread man. I can't remember exactly what she said. Now these right here, these little mini chocolates are delicious, y'all. What is this stuff? Is it like, okay, this one says it's apple.
Yeah, but it's stolen, baby. We won't do that.
Stolen
credit card. Yo, I'm just kidding.
Fudge covered peppermint creams. Those look good.
How long will it take this thing to thaw out? I know it takes those right there a month.
They have the Christmas tree and snowman ice cream, Sissy.
Really?
Yeah. Those are good. Oh, and the reindeer ones. The kids love those. Sissy, do y'all like the snowman or I think y'all like the Christmas tree better.
Yeah.
The world's newest Aldi fan. Right there. The world's newest Aldi fan.
Yeah. They got Christmas stuff up in there.
Yeah.
I say joy to the world. The Lord has come.
All right, y'all. It's a little while later now. We got back home, got everything put up. We stopped by Ingles because we needed a couple things from there that Aldi doesn't have. But I wanted to show y'all the Aldi finds that I got. I got this blanket, just the green one with the white Christmas trees. I got this Christmas tree candle. And I got these decorations for my holiday tree. I really like this one because it has the countdown to Christmas and the little bag thing there that says do not open until December 25th. We got these cookies, but the kids picked ice cream for their Friday night treats. I picked these because y'all know these things are amazing right here. And Titus picked these. Also probably amazing. I don't know if we've ever tried these from Aldi, but we've had these same kind of cookies from other places, you know. Tyler's right here watching me eating a piece of chocolate cake. This is what we had left over from supper tonight. I made like a Southwest beefy pasta thing. It was good, y'all. We still don't have this pipe in out here, y'all, on this wood stove. Here's where it's gonna go. A lot of people were wondering when I put these fall decorations out here if they were too close to it. We're not using it yet, so they're fine. Somebody left their ball out here. Are you making Christmas decorations too, Cece?
Yeah.
They're out there in the garage making Christmas decorations this afternoon. We're gonna put a Christmas tree out here. I'm gonna do an artificial one, though, and we'll get the real one for the inside. While the merry bells keep ringing. I've also been trying to figure out where we're gonna put the Christmas tree this year, y'all, because we didn't have the wood stove in here last year. I thought we did. Where the couch ends here is about as far as we can go over close to the wood stove. So what I wanted to do is put the Christmas tree in front of the window. And we don't get our Christmas tree for in here until Thanksgiving Day. After we finish eating, we go to the Christmas tree farm. I wanted to put it in the middle window right there, you know, just right there, and have the rocking chair beside of it and all. Then we don't have anywhere to put the love seat. We could switch the desk and the TV. We could move the TV over there, move the desk over there, move this stuff to our bedroom, put the love seat over there, and the Christmas tree can go right here, where it'll still be in front of the window, but up against this kind of, you know, corner it in between the window and the wall. Which one should we do? Window and wall? Or we can just move this stuff to our room, put the love seat over there, leave the TV where it is, and put the Christmas tree in the middle.
Put the TV right here. Move the furniture right here.
He's got all the ideas, y'all. Y'all can tell, probably, that I'm feeling the urge to rearrange in here. I was trying to think the other day, have I even rearranged since we did all this stuff around Christmas time last year? I think I did one time, didn't I? Yeah, we switched the love seat in the couch, didn't we? Yeah. So in a whole year's time, I only rearranged in here once. That's like a new world record or something for me. That's a record. It's definitely time, but since we're so close to getting the Christmas tree in just a couple of weeks, I'm gonna hold off, and we'll do it a couple of days before we get the tree. That way when we get the tree, the position for it is already ready. We're gonna go ahead and start supper. It's 3:27. I like to get supper done, y'all know, before it gets dark. I just don't like like for it to be still daylight when I finish cleaning the kitchen. Look at Miss Turkey and Roosty out there. They're best friends. So I have this Southwest Ranch chicken seasoning mix, but we're not using chicken. We're gonna use ground beef. I'm gonna make like a creamy Southwest Ranch beefy pasta stuff. That's what we're gonna make. I had egg noodles or spaghetti or fettuccine. I think the egg noodles will be better with this. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in the water. And egg noodles, I won't need this whole bag. It's a pretty big bag. We're gonna slice this block of cream cheese up into little pieces, because when the ground beef gets done, we're gonna add this in here with it. And you know what? I need to go ahead and get my peppers ready first. Let me go grab those real fast. I'm gonna put some red and green peppers in here. And I think I'll just do half of each one. And we'll let that keep cooking until the ground beef is done, then we'll drain it. Now we'll slice up our cream cheese. And I'm trying to decide if I want to use this whole block or just half a block, because I'm also going to add some different new cheese that we got from Walmart. Hickory smoked Gouda and provolone. So I think I'll just put half of this block of cream cheese. I don't know what to call it.
Folks, we don't know what this is right here.
Southwest Ranch beefy.
Look how pretty this dish is.
Y'all, he is joking.
No, I'm not. That's really a nice looking plate. Sweetie, it looks delicious.
I'll just let you taste it and then you tell me what you think. I already tasted it, y'all.
It also smells delicious, y'all.
Yeah, it smells good.
Here,
I'll let you tell me.
Look at me dig in here. Look here, look here.
I'll let you tell me what you
think
think about it.
Look at that right there.
What do you think about it?
I love it.
Is it too smoky? Mm-mm. Can you taste the smoke taste? The cheese inside of it was smoked. I forgot what it was. Smoked Gouda.
It's just right. I think that's absolutely amazing. It's almost reminded me like a Philly cheesesteak pasta.
Oh yeah, okay.
Or something.
A smoky one, kind of.
Yeah, that's really good to me.
Y'all have fun?
Yeah.
They've been jumping on the trampoline. Jonah finished his decoration. Is it a turkey?
Yeah.
That's adorable.
The beak is still being worked on.
Are these feathers from our girls?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
the real